week at Carroll Lutheran Village, we're going to be making strawberry BBQ chicken. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our strawberry BBQ sauce, which is pretty simple. I've got all these ingredients here. We're just going to put those in a skillet on the stove, and we're going to cook those. I've got some honey. Put that in there. There's many different recipes for barbecue sauce, and you can kind of do your own, or you can buy some at the store. We've got some ketchup. I'll put the ketchup in there. Brown sugar, of course. Let's put that in there. Dry mustard, you can use Dijon mustard if you would like. A little bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to stir that up good. And a little bit of apple cider vinegar. You can also use red wine vinegar. We have some granulated garlic as well. Paprika. If you want it a little bit smoky, you can use some smoked paprika. You can see that's kind of coming together there. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce. And you can also put some hot sauce in if you like yours a little bit on the spicy side. So we mix all those ingredients together. We're going to let that cook for a few minutes. I like to take a whisk and kind of stir it up there. You can see how it looks, and we'll just let it cook for a little bit. And then we're going to prepare our strawberries and put the strawberries in our barbecue sauce. Yep. All right, so we have some fresh strawberries here that we're going to chop up, and we're going to put that in our barbecue sauce. You can puree these if you would like. I'm just going to chop them up and put them in our sauce. And as they cook, it's going to cook down and soften up. So you can chop these up real fine. You can puree them. If you don't want to use fresh, or you don't have fresh available, you can always use strawberry jam. So we're going to put those chopped up strawberries into our sauce. And we're going to let that simmer on the stove for about 20 minutes till that cooks down a little bit. Once that's all cooked, the strawberries will be real soft. And then we're going to get our chicken ready to put in the oven to barbecue. So now that our barbecue sauce is cooked, we're going to get our chicken ready. So I like to use fresh chicken with the skin on. You can always do a boneless breast too if you would like. First of all, we're going to season our chicken. So I've got a little bit of salt and pepper and garlic. I like to season both sides of that. Okay, and just pat that on there. We're going to bake this chicken in the oven. You can also do it on the grill too. But we've got our strawberry barbecue sauce that we made earlier, and you can see that the strawberries have cooked down pretty good. I like mine a little bit chunky, so we're just going to let it like that. At this point, you could puree it and get it real nice and smooth if you would like. So I just put a little bit of the strawberry barbecue sauce on the chicken. And then you're going to cook that in a slow oven at about 300 degrees until it's 165 degrees. And then it'll be ready to serve. So this is our strawberry barbecue chicken right out of the oven. And you can see it looks delicious. And we've garnished it with some fresh strawberries. And we're going to be running that this week since it is strawberry season here.